carbon, a non-metal that makes up the structure of every living thing on our planet. When you think of the elemental form of carbon, you probably think black, sooty, soft material, not diamond, which is the hardest substance known to man, with a melting and boiling point close to the temperature of the surface of the sun. But diamond only contains carbon atoms. Diamond is an allotrope of carbon. An allotrope is a different structural form of the same element. Let's have a look at the structure and bonding in diamond to figure out why it is such a hard substance and why its melting and boiling points are so high. In diamond, each carbon atom is covalently bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. This pattern repeats itself billions of times over and is known as a giant lattice structure. Diamond structure can also be described as a tetrahedral structure. Diamond's hardness and high melting and boiling point is due to its giant lattice structure and the fact that each carbon atom is covalently bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. So a lot of energy is needed to overcome these forces of attraction. Because of its hardness, diamond is used in mining. Let us now have a look at a different allotrope of carbon, one that is used in pencil lead and to lubricate bike chains. Let's have a look at the allotrope of carbon called graphite. In graphite, each carbon atom is covalently bonded to 3 carbon atoms. These carbon atoms are joined together in hexagonal layers that are stacked on top of each other. So we say that graphite has a layered or sheet-like structure. The layers in graphite are held together by weak intermolecular forces. Because of its structure and bonding, graphite has specific properties. It is soft, a good conductor of electricity, and has a high melting and boiling point. Graphite is soft because of weak intermolecular forces between the layers, which lead to the layers being able to slide over each other easily because not a lot of energy is needed to break the bonds. Like metals, graphite can conduct electricity because it has free moving delocalized electrons which carry a charge. Really well done for completing this video and doing some chemistry revision. Please like, comment and subscribe and share this video in order to get it to more pupils like yourselves. All the best and see you in my next video.